Annyeong, namaste, welcome.
You are only doing the three. एक बोला मैं.
Annyeong.
Welcome.
What is this?
English.
Habibi.
There's a way that we can fly again. Remember how we used to love back then. Living like we had no. It's our last train home. We'll be running wild, loving till the sun is out, running to this land.
Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the
Borame.
with starring
Joe. Ifra.
Nazo.
And we make
Jay.
Word white anthem.
Alright, Borave family. It's time for our next game segment. It's inspired from Run BTS, of course. And it's called
I'm gonna win in life.
So, the loser
Has to do a punishment.
has to do a punishment for 10 seconds. I go.
Oh, can you put some music to get me going?
You have to do for exactly 10 seconds.
Cute music.
Okay, your time starts now.
That is too much. You. That was Yungi, by the way, in the end. Now, I think we'll start with Jyoti and how BTS means, what BTS means to her, how she met them, what happened.
Car is the place where I thought of BTS for the first time.
Perfect.
So basically, I am very new to K-world, K-drama, I won't say K-pop, only BTS, but still, this is when I was going through a tough time and all. But that's when I was like, my friends watch K-drama, and I was like, I want to watch something different, and I was fed up of the same old sitcoms and all. So then I was like, let me give it a try. After 2 trials, I watched Crash Landing on You, and that was my
many
turn.
people's introduction to K-drama.
K-drama.
So my friend gave me a list, and that was the first one. She told me watch this first. I was like, okay. So after that,
Was there a mention of BTS?
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
But I didn't understand that time.
Oh,
Okay.
I was ignorant. Honestly, I was an ignorant person. Okay. So what happened was, then I was driving, and when I'm after work, when I'm driving, I'm thinking of everything,
things,
whatever
yeah.
happened and all.
Happened in the day, relive it.
And exactly, and I was listening to the radio, and My Universe was going on. Of course, I've been a Coldplay
Love
fan.
that song.
And then, this song, I used to love it, and I didn't know which language. Ignorant again.
No worries.
I didn't know which language it is, but it is beautiful, and I want to know, and I don't know, I thought it's some European language for some reason. And then I was like, and then the RJ mentioned BTS. It's like, I remember this BTS word, many times. Turns out my ex workplace, like, oh, I will play BTS songs. And I was like, no Korean songs.
You told.
Ignorant me. And I didn't know who BTS was then, okay?
okay.
Not that I had any hate. I was like, I don't know the language and I don't want to
Makes
listen.
sense.
But then I was like, we listen to Spanish songs. Like, I grew up listening to Enrique and
Yeah,
also Ricky
absolutely.
Martin. I was like, why? This is not fair.
Shakira and everything.
Exactly. So why is that okay and not Korean?
Yeah.
So then I was like, okay, this BTS word is coming out too many times, and I went and I searched them online, and first thing I saw was their story. What their struggle and how they came to be and all. I was like, wow, that's amazing. And then I was like, I'll give it a chance. I want to see. honestly, I don't remember which song, but I was like, okay, it sounds nice and all. But what got me hooked to BTS is not their songs first.
Stories.
Story was quite
Yeah.
inspiring. Like it was amazing.
Yeah.
But I was at work and I just stumbled across Run BTS.
Oh.
I was on a night shift, and usually, after 3 o'clock, you don't have that many patients. and all.
Yeah.
So I was like, just to stay awake, trying to watch Run BTS, and I opened that. I think it was the first. I don't think so. It was the first, but the
Okay.
one at the Plaza Hotel, at the pool. I was literally laughing out loud, and I was like, "What the hell?" The debate part was so funny.
Okay.
And I specifically remember somebody saying J-Hope was like save animals or something, and it's like he just had to.
He just had 2 chicken fried
Yeah.
chicken buttons.
And I was like, man, this is how we talk with our friends, and this is so natural.
They were
and
roasting
fun.
each other. I love it. Yeah.
I got hooked to Run BTS. Like every day while eating, while
Yeah,
eating, you
yes.
need to watch
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Actually.
Run BTS was it for me. And then I was like, okay, I went down the rabbit hole, like,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
need to listen to the songs, but the lyrics catched my attention. I was like, wow, this is so healing to a point.
Yeah.
In my shift, when I do 12 hours duty,
Yeah.
and there are like 90% of time we don't get time to eat.
Yes.
Eat or drink or anything. So at that point, I would just request for 2 minutes BTS song break.
Oh.
I would go out just to de-stress. I would just go sit outside, listen to one song, and come back to duty.
So cool.
So my break was listening to BTS songs, and because I went through their lyrics and I found it so healing. And what I wanted from an artist, like meaningful songs, not only about drugs and
Girls.
and like body parts and all
I
that stuff.
swear.
Like this is
There's more to us.
yeah. But more of
Emotions feel.
emotions and everyone's
Emotional
struggle. Like
maturity.
everybody's connecting because everybody has some struggle in their lives, and this is their healing part.
Yeah.
This is
Oh.
the magic shop
Yeah.
of it.
If I had one
Yeah.
word to describe BTS, it would be healing. Because that's what we did. Heal.
Yeah. For
Listening.
me, it is mostly they motivate me.
Inspiration.
They're my inspiration. Yeah.
Wow.
What
Like
about
hard
you,
work.
Ifra? If one word to
I
describe
think for
BTS.
me it's happiness.
Aw.
Courage and happiness, I think.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Powerful words, no?
I think everyone has that
Multiple emotions.
multiple emotions with them. It's not necessary. It can be one word. It can be more than one word. you
Because
know?
the point I found them also was at a point where I was low and I needed the healing.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
And-
happened?
And
What happened?
You want to share?
so like I love the song My Universe. I literally cried the day. it
Oh, both
came out.
of us have the same.
Yeah. We are also like
Run BTS, my universe.
Actually,
yeah, there's a
connection. That's what today is about, right? Connection. Like we resonated with the same thing at the same time. So when My Universe came out, I felt that song was written for me. I was like, my old favorite Coldplay knows my new favorite BTS because I was in army at the time, baby army at the time. I became the baby army before I became the baby.
Before you became a baby.
Before I took birth. So like I said, like BTS means healing because I was at a low point and I needed the healing so bad. I needed something to connect emotionally because emotions for me are a big point of expression, right? So I was going through a lot at a job which I'm no longer working at, and it was very toxic, and I felt like I was doing as much as I could, but I was not recognized, or it was never enough. I was not feeling enough. That feeling of not enough was
Appreciated.
very evident, and I felt like I'm useless in life. Like what more do I need to do? And then led to some dark thoughts. But the first song, it was, I remember the date. It was 28th June 2021. I remember the day I was sitting in my room. I left the job, and I started playing this song Epiphany by Jin. And I had an epiphany. Like he literally felt like the lyrics were so speaking to my soul, because literally the lyrics mean your shining soul, you know, you should love yourself. And that was a point I found. I didn't love myself, like, you know, self-love. You say you love yourself, you do things for yourself, but really, are you really doing it at a spiritual soul level? Like, I felt I wasn't, and that song just spoke to me like directly. I couldn't stop crying when I first saw the meaning, heard the song, and Jin's voice, my god, really, like, I was like, oh, what's happening? Like, why is this song like, I didn't even know the meaning at that point.
Okay, yeah.
I just heard the song first, and I'm like, why is it making me cry? Saw the meaning, had that epiphany, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to listen to more. And then My Universe came out, Permission to Dance came out, because as a child I was always very like into dance and stuff, very expressive.
Yeah.
But like, as you become an adult, you stop doing some things you do
Yeah.
since you were a kid. So I think when Permission to Dance came out, I was like, okay, they're giving me permission to dance. So I actually participated in that challenge they were having at the time.
Wow.
Right? And I did it in my old workplace also. I was like, I need to leave behind a good memory in this bad, memory place. I do that a lot. And I was like, this place is made of bad memories. I need to leave one good memory here. Let me start with BTS.
Wow.
I did that challenge there, and it got really good reviews. And I was like, okay, what is this army? You know, like, to be a part of army, like this community. This is when I also started making friends, because as an adult, it's very hard to make friends, to meet, like-minded people.
Yeah.
But with BTS, it became very easy. It became so easy to make friends, to talk about our biases and.
You connect with the same emotions.
Yeah.
Like how Nazneen mentioned, like she did a challenge for Permission to Dance. I also found out BTS through TikTok era,
Yeah.
TikTok or Musically era back then. You know, they used to do like small videos, no? Whenever they go on summer holidays or winter
True.
holidays
Yeah.
and everything.
Ah.
So there I
Bon
found,
Voyage.
Bon Voyage.
Bon Voyage.
So that like
Chicken noodle soup?
no, that was later on. Like
Okay.
I found like few other clips, fan page clips
Okay.
and things like that.
Oh, you
So
mean
I was
Vine?
into
Oh.
I'm like anyway I was into K-dramas, and like people used to do this mimic, things like there. I found one of the clip from Run BTS. I'm like, okay, this sounds interesting, because I used to watch variety shows, and this looks different variety shows.
Yeah.
And they're like K-pop. Like I knew K-pop were there because I
yeah.
saw like Blackpink documentary twice and everything. Like,
Uh-huh.
except BTS also. I'm like, okay, this sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, okay, let me go. So it was back in 2018, like, randomly Google, like, Run BTS. They were not officially released in YouTube or
True.
back then,
True.
They had in other website, illegal website, sometimes you have to go and, find out.
Correct.
Because unless you find the proper legal, it takes time, suddenly no one goes, on spot to know the legal
Absolutely.
thing. And I'm like, okay, this sounds good. Let me research. So it was Run Beat. I don't remember back then which episode, but I think during that, the OG Jimin episode, Lachi
Molala.
I'm like that. I think during that era of the Run BTS episode, I got introduced to
That's
them.
really early on.
Yeah, there's very
They used to
2018.
color their hair so much.
Oh yeah, I'm like sometimes I'm like they have such a beautiful Koreans have black hair. No, you see the K dramas, actors
Yeah.
are all in black hair.
Correct.
I'm like I used to wonder why these K-pop people are like coloring their,
Correct.
back to
Yeah,
understand
yeah.
concept.
It's a
You
trend
should
that
it's
time,
a trend
right?
that time. And I'm later when I researched BTS. Okay, let me look at them. I googled out them. I'm like. Okay, wow, okay, there are 7 members in this. Okay, I have to first learn the names. So first I started with the short names, instead of going full Korean names.
Yeah, that's how you enter the rabbit hole,
Yeah,
right?
I'm like,
let me just
Like
look up
RM,
your
J-Hope,
names.
their stage name where, they are known for that,
Yeah, all these words
At
and all
first,
army
yeah.
bias. I didn't know what all this
Even
meant.
I also
Tell me I'm not the only one who was confused by the stage names and then their real names.
even I also
Yeah,
got
me
like
too.
confused with some stage
It was
name.
hard, guys.
But
it
it
took
was
me a year.
easy for me with the stage name like V, RM, J-Hope. At least, that way I'll get I know these people because there are many people like around me. People like, they look the same.
Oh yeah, that was
They had
the
that-
general
I'm
ignorance.
like, no, you can differentiate between Japanese, Koreans, Chinese so easily.
True.
Unless they are like mix.
I've been seeing K-drama since the 2000s, so that ignorance was there very much from the beginning. People will be like,
Still exists.
"Oh, why
It
you
still
watching?
exists now also,
Why
it's
you
exists.
watching guys that put makeup or look like girls?" I'm like, okay. I used to ignore them and just be happy in my own world, but you never know. Like that afterthought actually made me leave K-pop for a bit,
Oh, really?
and I made my comeback with BTS.
Wow. That's a good one. So for me, it was that way like they look the same when I'm watching K-drama. But
Correct.
I like the story concept is totally different from
Correct.
what used to watch because later on the Western dramas never had a proper stories.
Yeah,
all
yeah.
into like
Same
vulgarity
thing.
and things like that. So I like stopped that completely. So that's how I got. Then like for me to watch them very colorful was Boy with Love song. And I'm like.
So she's the oldest army here.
Yeah.
Like they're full color. I like that.
I'm in the middle and she's the youngest.
Yeah. I'm like I like the the cinematography of the screenplay of that Boy with Love.
Yeah.
Like full colorful, pink, white. No, it's a brightness of
Oh,
happiness
yeah, that was
color.
a beautiful
There is no
concept.
like
Yeah.
sadness in that, and like that I got introduced.
Did you fall in love?
Yeah, I'm like wow. I'm like there anyway. I'm like not only with that because for me after that I'm like okay. After that I went to Fake Love, then Mic Drop. I'm like oh my god, these are like completely different. Screening from that Fake Love, that full black, white, gray,
yeah.
and Boy with Love is like full colorful and like
Oh yes.
okay,
Pop
these
of
are the
color, yeah.
mix of
Pink, yeah.
everything. They did not even leave like one color. Even they represent purple. They had every color in their
True.
album.
True.
So for me, that
Different shades.
was a main thing, and they was never going back after that. And later on, when I was
Never
Googling, I
going back.
came to them. I'm like 2016. They came to UAE. I'm like, where the hell was I?
We all lived in UAE and we had no idea.
I'm like, just
I remember
one and a half year back they were
2016.
here and I came to know later after 1.5 years, but how?
2016.
Why?
Oh, why?
Yeah, 2016 during
2017
March, Jan.
apparently they also came for a bomb voyage in Dubai. They stayed
No,
at
they were same.
Palazzo.
2016 only.
Right, like they were no. What I mean is, in those years, we were around BTS. Like literally, Palazzo, Versace. I've gone for a conference at the time in the same hotel,
Same year.
and they were filming there. Like the possibility that I might have walked past them and not seen it still haunts me to the day. It's one of my nightmares. Like
Yeah, I'm like after that was like never looking back for me. Yeah, they went viral in 2018. And
Wings.
Wings. But even 2018 was Love Yourself. 2019 was Map.
oh yeah,
So
modes.
yeah, I'm like that was a time where I came to know they went to I had like someone who I know went to the concert in London.
Yeah, the Wembley Stadium.
Yeah, they
That
made
was-
a history
that was
there.
the
That
time,
was
right?
that
Yeah.
was the time.
The army sang for
Army
us.
Yes,
surprised
yes,
BTS.
It's such a powerful
Yes.
Beautiful.
video.
Concert is
BTS
actually monumental in BTS Army history.
In a K-pop
Goosebumps,
history.
Because that's when BTS knew that their songs have broken
Yeah.
the Korean
Yeah,
language
language
barrier
yes.
and reached a global level.
Yeah.
I showed my non-army friend this video, and even they were like, wow. Like, you get
It was
goosebumps watching that,
beautiful.
even that small clip.
I
I'm getting
cried
it now.
still every time I see like they're breaking down literally while armies
Yeah.
are like literally it starts off with Jungkook sobbing and trying to not break his voice while he starts the song. So yeah, that's a beautiful moment.
That was like I saw in real time, real person like posting. I'm like, no, then, but seeing them, watching them, give me a lot of courage to
Actually,
step into the real world, to
That's-
meet people like Nazneen, Jyoti,
Yeah.
and many more armies.
it really pushes you out of your bubble to
and
go
then
out
I can
there.
express my love for
Yeah,
K-pop
yeah.
actually.
True.
A thing. I'm like,
Absolutely
wow,
agree.
that's how it is.
BTS makes you brave.
Yeah. It
Agree?
made me
Agree?
brave in many ways.
It does. Like
Yeah.
it made me comfortable in my own skin.
I just want to say that every army story is different. Some found them through a song, some found them through a difficult time, some found them through a random video. And that's what makes it special.
Basically, this is the gist of our podcast.
Absolutely. The energy, the chaos.
So we'll be driving around, talking about your stories, sharing our other stories, BTS related, our army experiences, and every episode will have one guest. Yeah,
Yes.
there or there.
And they're
And
gonna share their
their army
beautiful
stories, yeah.
story.
Play
of-
some games with us.
Yeah. How they became an army and play some games like how we did right now. We're gonna select some games from Run BTS inspired with our own twist.
This is what happens when you mix chaos, crazy energy, love, loyalty to a very chaotic group.
Yeah,
Like
we are all
BTS.
different personalities. And if there are armies who want to share
Share
their
your
story,
stories.
but you're camera shy or any other reason you don't want to be on screen, you can send us some letter and we can read it out here. You know, maybe one day BTS can hear your story.
Yeah.
So this is just for fun. We're just trying to connect and have fun with other armies. That's it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. I'm looking
Like-
forward for all your stories.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel.
We cry together, but we also scream together. At the end of the day, this is the Bora.
Wait!